ice arena, they're putting another piece of machinery through its paces. It's preparing the surface for this year's skating extravaganza, the Hot Ice Show. The woman in charge is the owner's elder daughter, Amanda Thompson.
What's he doing?
She has a reputation for assertiveness.
John! That is a new machine! You've just spilt water everywhere, you've raced around, it's not a blooming whatever that track, Silverstone. Idiot. What an idiot.
We've got problems with the DOE, the Department of Employment, because they've still held back on releasing some of my work permits and visas for some of my skaters that require visas, and so I'm hopefully get those passed this week and get them into the country. Spoken to the DOE, and they said no. Well, basically they're going to say no. They won't accept his figure skating coaching. Why? It's not the same standard as he's maintained here in Blackpool.
I'm sorry. He's teaching.
I know, they said it's got nothing to do with being a professional.
What, teaching?
Yeah. And being in an ice show and skating.
Of course it has. What
do
do they think people do? I think I need to speak to them. What do people do when they're not working?
Well, he said that he should be keeping...
Bastards. Who do they think they are? Get me a cigarette, somebody. Yeah. Who do they think they are?
No, but about who?
DOE.
Get me...
Now, one sec. Can you take your left hand into him? Left hand into him, left hand in.
I just don't believe it at all. It's ridiculous. Come on, answer the phone. Get me Nick Hawkins on the phone or Harold Ellison, quickly. Oh, please, the Conservative MPs for Blackpool South and Blackpool North. Quickly, get them on the phone. OK?
Amanda's got nowhere with her MP, so it's back to the DOE.
There must be a way we can do this. There must be a way. Well, let me speak to them.
Just get the number.
He's worked for me for a few years here, and now they're saying that they're not accepting him being a professional performer. Those curtains need cleaning! The Department of Employment don't understand the world of skating, so therefore, if you're an ice skater...
Yeah. Do you want to speak to Alec Baldwin?
Yeah, I do.
You try not go too mad?
Yeah.
Hi, sorry, who's that?
I dreamed
Helen.
last night I was on...
OK, that he's left for the evening.
Left before 5 o'clock in the evening?
The Department of Employment don't work after 4 o'clock, obviously.
Yeah.
It's now 10 to 5 and I can't speak to anyone at the Department of Employment because they've gone home. I just don't believe this.
But Amanda's still on edge.
The Department of Employment have definitely said no to Alex, so that's proved another great problem because that's a week now it's taken them to say definitely no. So we're still a person missing from the show and it's all very complicated to try and get somebody else in. Just one big headache, really. And that's how we continue from one day to the next.
There's a technical run-through, and Amanda Thompson, the producer and the owner's daughter, is far from happy.
Oh, not like that! They have not blown these bloody flying things out high enough every time.
Flying
What are they doing with us? What a mess!
things. Look at your positions, everybody, yeah.
It's stressful when you work on lights, costumes and 26 performers, all thinking they're going the right way when they're going the wrong way, and it's just pulling the whole thing together in the last week. I don't bully them, they just get tired and stressed, and I haven't had anyone storming off the ice in floods of tears, but I have. 2 days to go.
We started off all right, didn't we?
Yes, Act 1 was better than it was. Act 2 was a total disaster.
It just fell apart.
And we might as well not have rehearsed at all for that. We keep seeing the same mistakes.
And you all know that in the opening, you're smiling. You've got to have a bit of panache about what you do.
Yeah, we need to see a lot more facial expression. Everything looks very flat.
No, but you line up with Natalia and Alex.
This is probably the worst set of rehearsals I've ever had to go through. People are tired now and they're forgetting what we've changed, and I think it's a bit panic stations everywhere really at the moment. This week is just not a good one.
It's the hot ice photo call, and they're behind schedule.
Have the hockey lights off! Hockey lights off! Someone turn the hockey lights off! Where are the smoke machines? Are they plugged in? Can I have the fabric? Yeah, on the stairs. You're going to stand on them and don't rip it. I don't want it straight. I don't want it straight. I don't want it straight. Can I have the lights on the stairs, please? Can I have the lights on these stairs? Now, somebody please listen to me. Lights on these stairs, please, today.
If I left it to somebody else, it wouldn't be done exactly how I want it, and it has to be exactly as I want it. And unfortunately, people don't quite understand the word urgency. When I say now, I mean now, because you're keeping 26 people waiting.
We've no power. Stage left and stage right. Why? Just hurry up. We need another 2 park ants now, not tomorrow, but now. I don't want this lead in shot. Just see. I'm sorry that you're cold, but it's tough shit. Get out of the way, please. Right, go!
Happy birthday faces.
Too much. We're just going to let it...
Spin, girls, a bit.
No, don't, because you wreck the ice, don't.
Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, could you take your seats in the arena as the show is about to begin, and Amanda will be very annoyed if you're not on time.
I'm dead nervous.
Are you? Just pace around a bit. Just pace around a bit and you'll be fine. But I will see you after now. Okay. Have a good one.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
For Amanda's father, it's the end of a long, hard day.
Someone save me. That's the moment I want.
Well done, sweetheart.
It was super. It really was.
Not without mistakes. Not
Well,
without mistakes.
oh, and a new ice tractor too.
The other guinea pigs with Jeffrey will be his son Nick and daughter Amanda.
Go next to the step.
Quickly, because I've got to go back to rehearsal. Don't get my spot.
The thing is, will we be smiling when we come back?
I won't. I'll be going.
Head against the back. Oh, right. Are we ready? Is this meant to be tight? Here we go! Hey! Oh, is it going or not? Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, what's happening? Oh, we might be going. We might just be going. You can't look relaxed with your head back against the headrest. This is the trouble.
Here we go.
Ah, is this it?
Yeah, here we go.
Oh, what excitement. Isn't this fun?
Oh. No. Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh, God.
20 minutes later, and the Thompson family show no sign of liftoff.
Right, are we ready?
Wayne's got his thumb up.
Oh, it could be it. It could be it. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. What anticipation. Oh!